Okay.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to all students and teachers. So today, me, Aisya and also my other friend that is Hanisah and Alya, we are going to present to all of you about our mathematics PBL project. And we have got the topic from the chapter 5 that is congruency, enlargement and combined transformation. But for today, we will present to you about chapter 5.4 with the topic of tessellation. So, the objective is we need to apply appropriate knowledge and skill of congruency, enlargement and combined transformation in the context of creative non-routine problem solving. Okay, so sebelum kami start presentation kami, we will show you a video about this topic.
Tessellations. Tessellations are tiling patterns formed of shapes with no gaps in between. Regular tessellations are formed of regular polygons, and we can see if a regular polygon will tessellate by looking at the interior angles. The vertices or corners of the shapes should all form a 360-degree angle in order to tessellate. You should be able to divide 360 by the interior angle of a polygon with no decimals. So here we have an equilateral triangle, interior angles of 60 degrees. To find out if this shape tessellates, we divide 360 by 60, which gives us a whole number. This tells us that this shape tessellates. Here we have a regular pentagon with interior angles of 108 degrees. This does not divide fully into 360, as we are left with a decimal number. Therefore, this shape does not tessellate. Have a look at these regular polygons and work out if they tessellate. Pause the video whilst you figure it out.
Okay, the next one is what is tessellation? Tessellation is a pattern of recurring shapes that fills a plane without leaving empty spaces or overlapping. Maksudnya dia memenuhi ruang dan dia tak akan bertindih antara satu sama lain. Okay, the example are the first one is a tessellation consisting of equilateral triangles. Boleh tengok kat situ. And then is tessellation consisting of rhombuses. And tessellation consisting of hexagon. Okay, this next one is tessellation in daily life. Okay, tessellation is actually easy to find in our daily life with various types of shapes. As the example is a pathway. Macam kita lalu tu, okay, itu adalah tessellation juga. Next one is beehive. And the last one is soccer ball. Okay. Do you know there are many other types of tessellation? Tessellation ada 5 types. The first one is regular tessellation, iaitu tessellasi sekata. Yang kedua adalah semi-uniform tessellation, iaitu tessellasi separuh sekata. Yang ketiga, uneven tessellation, iaitu tessellasi tidak sekata. Yang keempat, brief tessellation, iaitu tessellasi ringkas. Dan yang terakhir adalah complex tessellation, iaitu tessellasi kompleks. Okay. Regular tessellation. Regular tessellation ni adalah entirely of congruent regular polygons, all the meeting of the vertices meet the vertices. Maksudnya polygon biasa yang vertex dia bertemu antara vertex polygon yang lain. Okay. Dia ada three uniform tessellation that is use equilateral triangles, rectangles and hexagons. The example as the below. The first one is equilateral triangle, yang kedua adalah rectangle dan yang ketiga adalah hexagon punya tessellation. Okay. The next one is semi-uniform tessellation. Semi-uniform tessellation is a tessellation created with two or more types of regular polygons packed together in such a way that the same polygon in the same cyclic arrangement surrounds its vertex. Maksudnya tesselasi ni dia ada dua ataupun lebih types of polygon dan dia memenuhi ruang dan dia mengelilingi antara satu sama lain. There are 8 semi-uniform tessellation yang termasuk combination of equilateral triangles, equilateral rectangles, hexagons, octagons and dodecagons. Okay. The next one is ada example of tessellation. Macam kita tahu tadi ada 5 kan. Okay, ni antara dia yang lain iaitu uneven tessellation dengan complex tessellation. Okay. Smart notes, tessellation ni dia boleh dibuat dengan regular polygon. Regular polygonnya will tessellate if the interior angle is a factor of 360 degrees. Maksudnya dia dengan polygon yang boleh menjadi sebab untuk jadi 360 degree. Okay. Yang seterusnya adalah combination of two or more regular polygons. Yang macam kita tahu tadi, tessellasi ni tak semestinya 2 je polygons, dia boleh lebih daripada 2. Dan the sum of the interior angles dia mestilah 360 darjah. Okay. The next one is Aisya Najiha.
Alya Fahana.
Alya Fahana, okay.
Next is the main project. In the main project, we made a tessellation puzzle. What is tessellation puzzle? Tessellation puzzle is a puzzle that is not have overlapping gap and have the same shape and has repetition. Okay. Next. Okay, next are the material and the equipment that needed for the tessellation puzzle. First, we need color paper. Next, we need pencil, scissor and sellotape. Okay, this is the process of making of the project. This is the proof that we make the tessellation puzzle by using the equipment and the material. Okay. As the conclusion of the project, as a type of the tessellation pattern that cover a surface completely with no space between the shape and without the overlap of shape used. Okay, for the second project, we need to make a logo. So basically, Hanisah. Our logo is for our game. We name this logo as an energizer and the motto is keep going and going and going. So kalau nak cakap dari segi warna, kami menggunakan warna hijau, warna dark green. Sebabnya kalau menurut psikologi, dark green ni dia membawa kepada ketenangan lah. So sebab itulah kami menggunakan warna hijau dan bukannya warna-warna terang seperti warna oren, merah dan sebagainya. Next. Okay. So So projek first tadi sebenarnya kami buat satu game. Kan Hanisah kan?
Betul.
Kami buat satu game. This is the instruction.
Okay, next is
Alifana.
the instruction. Okay. For making the tessellation puzzle, we need to prepare the material and the equipment. Okay. The material and the equipment are seperti as the slide before, seperti slide yang sebelum ni. For example, the material and the equipment are scissors, sellotape, color paper and pencil. Next, we can make the shape with your own creativity. Maksudnya kat sini, kita bolehlah buat bentuk dia ikut kreativiti kita sendiri. Boleh buat ikutlah macam mana yang macam kita nak, ikut kehendak sendiri. Lepas tu, next is cut it. Okay. You must cut it, be carefully. So the shape is not become overlapping with each other, and so it can be a perfect tessellation puzzle. Okay, nak cakap kat sini, kita kena potong dia hati-hati supaya bentuk dia tak lari dan supaya kita tak cederakan diri sendiri guna gunting tu. Akhir sekali, play it till your heart content. Lepas tu mainlah sampailah kita gembira.
Okay, that's all from us. Um, uh,
Okay, ada apa-apa soalan ke?
Tak ada.
Okay, tak ada. Bagus. Semua pada pandai.
okay.